Imagine saving thousands on unexpected car repairs. But you need the right extended warranty. Some plans have hidden clauses. These could leave you stranded. Today, we dissect dealership versus third-party coverage. Let's find out which is worth your investment. First, let's address the costly car protection lie. Many think dealership warranties offer peace of mind. The truth is, most extended warranties are often a bad deal. Dealerships build in profit margins into your policy. This can leave you paying more than necessary. Did you know most major repairs are often covered by manufacturer recalls? That means your warranty might not be as crucial as you think. Now, let's look closer at dealership warranties. They may entice you with exclusive service. But these warranties often restrict where you can get repairs. If your mechanic isn't on the list, you're stuck. And then there's the fine print trap. Common exclusions can leave you out in the cold. Dealerships sometimes offer seamless integration plans. However, they also try to upsell you right after you buy the car. Now, let's explore third-party coverage. This option gives you flexibility. You can choose your trusted mechanic for repairs. It offers customizable plans. This means you can tailor coverage specifically to your vehicle's needs. Additionally, third-party options often come at competitive pricing. You might find better value for your money compared to dealership warranties. Next, here are some smart car owner tips. Before buying, ask essential questions. What do they cover? Are there any exclusions? Leverage online reviews and consumer reports to find reputable warranty companies. And always get it in writing. Contracts should detail every aspect of the warranty. The ultimate decision is yours. Sometimes, a dealership warranty might make sense. But that's rare. Instead, consider an emergency fund. It often beats investing in any warranty. Lastly, the future of car maintenance is evolving. Predictive analytics and proactive care are becoming more common. This means you may not need a warranty at all soon. Remember, navigate carefully. Choose what best protects your investment. Weigh all options. Now that you understand the differences, what will you choose? Start researching today. Don't get caught off guard. Hit that subscribe button for more insights and tips.